Welcome to Limpiar, where cleanliness meets professionalism. In today's video, we'll explore what sets Limpiar apart as the preferred choice for professional cleaners. Let's dive in! With years of established expertise, Limpiar boasts a team of seasoned professionals dedicated to delivering top-notch cleaning services. Our experience speaks volumes, ensuring your space is in capable hands. At Limpiar, we understand that every space is unique. Our professional cleaners take the time to assess your specific needs, providing tailored cleaning solutions that go beyond the surface, ensuring a thorough and personalized service. Quality is at the heart of what we do. We are committed to exceeding expectations, leaving spaces not just clean but transformed. Our attention to detail and commitment to excellence make Limpiar the trusted choice for quality cleaning. Limpiar values not only the cleanliness of your space but also the environment. Our commitment to eco-friendly practices ensures that our cleaning products are safe for you, your family, and the planet. We understand the demands of your busy life. Limpiar offers flexible scheduling options, allowing you to choose cleaning services that seamlessly fit into your routine. Your convenience is our priority. Trust is earned through consistent, exceptional service. Limpiar takes pride in the trust we've built within our community. In summary, Limpiar is not just a cleaning service. We are your partners in maintaining a clean, healthy, and welcoming environment. Choose Limpiar, the preferred choice for professional cleaners. Contact us today, and let's transform your space together. Limpiar, your trusted partner in professional cleaning services.